Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an Aviator gaming website. So this is an aeroplane crash website. By making this kind of website, you can make a lot of money through this kind of website. So this website is in trending, so I thought I have to make the video, and in this video I will show you how you can make this kind of site. I will completely guide you about this website, and now if you also want to make your own this kind of website, you can easily make it within just 5 minutes. So viewers, here you can see that we have logged into the user panel of Aviator. Now we will play the Aviator game. So now let's see how we can play this game. So I'm going to Aviator, and you can easily go to this and you can play this game from here. So now we will just place our bets over here. So here you can place your bets from this section. So it is going, cash out. So here, this is how you can play games and you can earn money through this website. So viewers, as you can see that I just showed you how you can make this, you can play this game. And viewers, if you want to buy this Aviator script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can buy this script and you can make your own Aviator game. Or if you don't want to do things on your own, we will make complete website for you end-to-end with domain name and hosting. You can just contact us and we will build the complete website for you. Now let's go to our C panel and let's see how we can make this kind of site, and we will make this site and I will show you how you can run it. So now let's go to our C panel and let's make this site. So viewers, first of all, what you have to do is you all must have to log into your C panel or H panel or any other hosting provider that you are using. So you have to log into the control panel of that hosting provider. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager option. So here you can see there is a file manager option. So I'm just clicking on file manager, and it will redirect you to this page. And now you have to go to your public HTML folder. Here you can see you have to delete this htaccess folder, and now here you can see that there is a zip file of our Aviator gaming website. Now viewers, here you have to upload the script. As I already have uploaded the script, but you have to click on upload and you have to upload the script from here. Just select the file and upload it, and it will take some time according to your internet connection, and it will be uploaded soon. Now you can see that I have already uploaded the script. So now just right click on it, and when you click on extract, and here you have to click on extract files, and all the files of this script will be extracted. So viewers, here you can see that our files are extracted successfully, and this is the folder inside it. Now we have to go inside the folder and we have to just copy all the files. Now copy all the files and move all the files into the root directory. So here you can see that we have already successfully moved all the files into our root directory here. Now we will just install the script automatically. So now here you have to go to your domain name and you have to install this script. So I'm going to type my domain name. So let's just type it. So here you can see that it has successfully made on our domain name. So but we have to install it because it has only made the front end. We have to develop the back end as well. So this is the front end of website, so that is ready. Now we have to install the databases and other things as well. So it is not completely finished. So to install our remaining things, we will just type /install, and it will take us to the installer window. So this is the installer window. Now you have to click on I agree next step. Here you have to check all the requirements. If these are fulfilled, you can see all our requirements are fulfilled. Now just click on next step. Here viewers, you can see that these requirements are also, permissions are okay. So just click on next step. Now in this step we will just make the database, and we will put our details. Now you go to your MySQL databases here. So we will just create our database. here just type the name of database. So I will type this name, Aviator Game. Just click on create database, and after click on go back. Now you have to make the user for this database, so we will just make the user quickly. So now just click on create user and it will create the user for your website. So it is done successfully. Click on go back. Here you have to bind your database with your user here. Now I am just clicking on add, and it will add database to the user. So now here on this page we have to click on all privileges, and we have to fill all of them. Click on make changes. Copy your database name from here and just paste it in the installer. Here you have to paste your database name, your game name. Here you have to enter your host. Here you have to enter your password, and here you have to give your admin credentials as well. Now viewers, when you click on install, now it will, so we have to give our username as well here. Now viewers, after that just click on install now. So viewers, here you can see that our script has installed successfully. Now when you click on go to your website or go to your admin panel, it will redirect you to your website or admin panel. Now I'm clicking on go to website and it will redirect me to my website. So now here you can see that we have successfully made the website. And viewers, now we will just explore this website as well. So here you can see that there are two options, like there is a register and login option. So you can see them right here. This is login and this is register. Now website is newly created and we don't have any account. So now we will register with our existing details. Now here you have to put your mobile number, your email, you have to enter your password. And after entering these details, you can select your country. So from here, and you can select your currency like USD or INR. So currently I am choosing INR, and you can choose USD as well. So now when you click on start game, it will start our game. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our website and we get the bonus of 50 rupees deposit. So here we get 50 deposit bonus. So now let me just show you how you can play game on the website. So this is the Aviator Game. So now we will just play the game. So here you can see all the game related activities. So this is game and you can play this game from here, and this is how you can play and earn money. So here you can see that our bet record. So we just earn 12 rupees. So you can see it over here. So let's play again, but let it be finished. So we are playing this game again here. So now I'm collecting my money from here. So this is how you can play and earn money through this. And here you can see your bet records over here. So viewers, you can change the bet amounts as well. Viewers, now if you want to buy this script from us, or if you need the complete end-to-end website, we will build it for you. And now let's start our video again, and now let's see what are the other features we will get in this website here. And here you can also place bet automatically or manually. So I'm just going back, and here you can see deposit funds option. So you can deposit your funds. So you can use UPI or net banking, and here is withdrawal options. So you can withdraw your funds as well. So these are all how you can withdraw or deposit money on the website. So this is how you can deposit money. Here are withdraw funds from account, same like deposit, you can withdraw your funds. Here are amount transfer, so you can transfer money from one account to another on this website. Here you can change your personal details on the website, and here you can give your personal details in this section. Here you can see all your transaction history. So all your deposit and withdrawal will be required appeared here. Here you can see all your referral levels. So these are your referral levels, so you can see your levels. And here are referral section. So this is your link, you can copy it and refer different people using this link. And here you can sign out. So viewers, this is all about this game, Aviator Game. Now if you need any help related to this, or if you want to purchase this source code or complete website, or if you need any color trading website or casino website, all type of gaming and betting sites are available. You can contact us and we will build what you want. And viewers, now let's explore the admin panel of this website. Now I'm going to log out from here and we will now explore the admin panel of this website. So to log into your admin panel, you will type /admin after the link, and here it will redirect you to your admin login page. Viewers, this is the admin login page of this website. Now here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. So enter your username or email here, and here you have to enter your password, and when you click on sign in, it will log you into your user panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. So here you can see total users, total recharges, total withdrawals on the website. So this is a dashboard, and here you can change the admin details from here, change password, and here you can scan QRs. Here is user management. So you can manage all the users that are on your website, so you can view their details. Here you can edit them as well, you can delete them, whatever you want to do you can do to the user. And here you can change their wallet balance, or you can edit their wallet balance from here, and you can add or subtract balance from this section. So this is how you can change their wallet details, and you can add or subtract their details. So now let's go back again. Here you can see all your recharge history section. So you can see all the recharges on your website. You can approve them or reject them from here. So when user will request a deposit, the deposit request will be appeared right here, and your admin can approve it or reject it. And this is a withdrawal history. So you can see all your withdrawal history details over here, and you can approve it or reject it. And here you can see all the withdrawal details of users. Here is amount setup option. So let me just open the amount setup. And first of all, here you can see game status. You can turn it on off from here. You can edit it. Here you can edit the minimum bet option. So you can change minimum bet from here. And here you can change the max bet option. You can change initial bonus from 50 to any other you want. You can change minimum withdrawal. So here you can change the minimum recharge. Game start timer you can change, or game end timer. Like you can control the aeroplane, like when will it crash or when will it not crash. So you can control it from here. You can manage the different levels of commissions. You can set the game start timer and game end timer, and here you can see game time end, like 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, when will the aeroplane will crash. So you can set it up from here. So you can set the aeroplane crash when user bet from here. So when user will bet, it will crash on 1.5x, and that you can set it up from here. So viewers, and now I completely guided you about this website, and I hope you like this video and you completely understand this Aviator Game. Viewers, if you want to buy anything from us, like color trading website, Aviator website, or any type of website you need, just contact us and we will build the site you want. And WhatsApp link is in our website. WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description, so feel free to contact us for more details. And thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.